Welcome to the Word 2007 Beginner Tutorials. This is Lesson 6. In this tutorial we'll be creating our own template and looking at wizard features in Word 2007. First we're going to explore the features and templates already available in Microsoft Word. Microsoft has incorporated wizards and templates into most of their products. This makes the user's job easier. Creating and formatting documents takes half the time when you use a template or wizard. A template is a document that has the formatting and built-in text and styles that can be used to create other documents that share the same basic formatting. A wizard is a feature that will prompt you for answers to create a formatted document. When it has been completed, Word 2007 has many built-in wizards used to create various business documents such as memos, letters, and faxes. The difference between a template and a wizard is a wizard will walk you through and prompt you for text entry in many parts of the document. A template will just have a placeholder. When using a wizard, you may have to still fill in placeholder text when the wizard is complete, but it will be much less than if you had used a template. Microsoft Word is filled with wizards. In this tutorial we're going to search for a newsletter wizard and create our own newsletter after being walked through the steps of the wizard. So once you have Word 2007 open, click on the Office icon button and select New. And then up in the search bar at the top, type Wizard and press Enter. You need an online connection in order to get this. Select the newsletter wizard and click Download. This may take a minute or two depending on how fast your internet connection is. The first screen welcomes you to the wizard and asks you to click Next to continue. From here, use the radio buttons above the style of newsletters. Make your selections of what type of newsletter, and then if you want it to be black and white or in color, and click Next. You can give your newsletter a title, either go with or without a date, volume, and issue, and click Next. It asks you about a mailing label. Next, and when you're finished, click the Finish button and your newsletter will be created. Now you are able to go through your newsletter and enter text specific to your business or personal needs. Save the newsletter if you wish, or you can simply exit out of the document. We're going to be taking a look at a new template. So we're going to go back up to the Office icon and select New again. And we're going to go over replacing fields in a template. Here we're going to click on Installed Templates and select the fax and click Create. The installed templates are already installed on your computer, so you won't need an internet connection for these. In the To field on this fax template, it's a placeholder. So you would just be able to click on Type the recipient's name and replace the text. A placeholder is a little different than just highlighting and replacing text in a normal document. A placeholder can be given requirements and features and only allow the user of the template to type in a specific area. So you can click on a few of the space holders or placeholders here and practice typing in your text. Here where it says pick a date, you can use the drop down arrow and select a date from the calendar. Once you've filled in the placeholders that you want, you have an idea on how they work, you can print your document, or save it, or just close it. We're going to move on to creating a template from a document. Suppose you create a meeting announcement document that you think you will use every month. It would be easier to create it as a template and just change a few placeholders than recreate the document each month. You create a template by saving the document as a template, modifying the template so that it is more generic in nature, and saving any modifications that you make. The next time that you open the template, it is ready for you to update. I've created an example here. Here's a document that I created. Everything is very generic. So we're going to save this as a template now. So once the file's open and that you want to save, click on Save As and select Word Template. This is going to open the Save As button. So this is just going to save it into my Documents file. Click the Save button. Now we're going to close that down, come up here and click on New Document. And if you see right here, the icon looks a little different, which tells you that it's a template. And you can click Create New, and it will open it up as a template versus opening it up as a real Word document. I hope this helped you. That concludes Lesson 6 of the Beginner Word 2007 tutorials.